Basically, Q&E is an online grocery store, and the thought process behind it was very simple. We wanted to deliver the groceries at people's doorsteps to simplify their lives. That's a very good question. We have done our research, market research हमने की है, और there are people who are like this जो कि चाहेंगे कि अपनी groceries खुद जाके खरीदें. But at the same time, we have examples of grocery stores doing very well in India. Some of their names are Local Banya, and in Singapore there is Red Mart. So they have actually converted people to online grocery shopping. So it is a challenge, it is very difficult, but it's something that isn't impossible. And plus, alhamdulillah, jab se we have started, we have gotten a very good response. People are asking us about different things to make them available on our website. So there is a demand there. People need such a thing, and they want it. So inshallah, it will be a challenge for us in the beginning, but once they get used to it, once they order from us, and once they see कि हमारी customer service किस तरीके की है, तो definitely they will purchase from us again. हमारा प्राइमरी टारगेट वो नहीं है जो कि आपके इम्तियाज़ जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज दोज पीपल आर एक्चुअली गोइंग फॉर better prices. Okay, our target is those people who are actually looking for convenience and who are actually very busy in their own lives, and they don't have time enough to go do their groceries. Those are our target market. तो हमने यही सोचा है कि हम अपनी टारगेट को पहले मार्केट को सही से डिफ़ाइन करें, rather than going broad scale and increasing our customer base to infinity. It's very good. Alhamdulillah, we are getting orders currently. चूँकि हमारी बहुत product range इतनी ज़्यादा diverse नहीं है, but at the same time we are getting requests on Facebook, on Twitter, on Gmail, through our email address, that people really want such solutions, and the response will get better inshallah. Once we have more products, it will improve. Simple है, हमारा होता ये है कि customer order place करता है online, then our customer care department actually calls the customer, confirms the order, and we have our own supply chain team जो जब एक दफ़ा confirm हो जाता है, the order is put in process, the order is picked and packed from our own warehouse, and the rider is given the orders जो कि आपके orders को deliver करता है. देखें, दो चीज़ हो सकती हैं. अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट पसंद नहीं आया, आप हमारे राइडर को उसी वक्त भी वापस कर सकते हैं, वरना आप हमारे कस्टमर केयर डिपार्टमेंट को कॉल करें और वो उसी वक्त आपसे आपकी सारी कंप्लेंट्स रिकॉर्ड करके आपका प्रोडक्ट उठा लिया जाएगा विद नो चार्ज. हमने तो अपनी रिसर्च की थी, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो हमने रिसर्च की थी वो अब जब से काम शुरू किया है, वी आर क्वाइट श्योर कि हाँ, हमारी रिसर्च काफ़ी हद तक रिलायबल थी. तो उसमें ये था कि जितना भी रिस्पांस आया था हमें, दैट वाज फ्रॉम फ्यू एरियाज़, जो कि आपके गुलशन हो गए, डिफेंस, क्लिफ्टन, नॉर्थ नाज़ाबाद से भी हमारे पास कुछ रिस्पॉन्सेस थे, PCHS. तो दैट्स अ गुड साइन. वहाँ से हमारे पास काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सेस थे. डेमोग्राफिक्स इज़ मेनली men who are between the age of 25 to 40, and professionals ज़्यादा हैं, obviously because it's male, and but women का भी थोड़ा सा किरदार है. I would say 30 to 35% women. बल्कि अभी तो there is competition, अभी से start हो गया है, and it will increase obviously, but those who will stick around will have a clear strategy on how they want to do business, and how and where they want to go. Alhamdulillah, we have a clear vision. We want to go across Pakistan and be the most favorite e-commerce platform in Pakistan. So that's our vision, and the mission is to be customer oriented. अब उसके अंदर we want to make sure that the customer is satisfied once he gets the order and he is a regular buyer from our website. अब जब एक दफ़ा वो regularly हमसे buy करना शुरू कर देगा, then I don't think he will go away from our website and try different websites. So that's the strategy we are going for. We want to satisfy our customers. ہمارے پاس we have point system جس کے اندر once you become a member you get 25 QNE points. اب اس points سے what you can do is you can use these points any time to get a discount. اب each QNE point is actually 1 rupee and you can get a discount of 1 rupee whenever you purchase from us. Plus at the same time you get 1 point on purchase of 100 rupees. So if you spend more you earn more and then you can use these later on. تو یہ ہماری ایک USP ہے. پلس جو ہمارا ٹائملی ڈلیوریز ہیں وہ ہماری ایک USP ہوگی. اینڈ دین وی ول انکریز آور پروڈکٹ رینج, تو وہ ہماری ایک USP ہوگی. دیکھیں کوئی ایج نہیں ہوتی ایز سچ آپ کو بزنس اسٹارٹ کرنے کی یا آپ جو ہے ٹیکپرینور بننے کی. بیکاز اف یو سی مارک زکربرگ واز اونلی 20 when he started his business. Bill Gates was drop out and then he started his own business. So we have examples like those to take inspiration from as well. Different kinds of discounts hain. We run contests on Facebook as well. So on that the winners are actually given 10% discount coupons which are actually sent to their email, and they have this plus we have different bundles and different products that we are running constant discounts on. So jaise agar aap koi let's suppose you can buy a national masala with Bake Parlour macaroni and get a 10% or like a 5% discount on the bundle of that product. So we have those kind of discounts as well to offer to our customers. Our expansion plans, we will be increasing our product range. تو اس کے اندر we will be having inshallah very soon fruits and vegetables. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ different kinds of products جو کہ آپ کے perishable, non-perishable دونوں. But right now we are focusing more on non-perishable. And then once we are delivering to all over Karachi, we will be increasing our range to our penetration to other cities of Karachi of Pakistan inshallah. So that's part of our aim. Hello everyone, my name is Osama Qasim and you can see me live on brandscenario.com.